Hi, my name's Karen. I'm currently doing the medical lab assistant program here at Western Community College. I chose this program because I wanted to get a foot in the door of healthcare, and I saw that there's a simpler way of starting the whole process of becoming a medical lab assistant and being able to deal with people on the daily and have some background knowledge of like science, biology. So I found it to be really cool, and I'm really enjoying this program so far. What motivated me was just like family experiences, I guess you could say. I've learned everything from like anatomy, physiology, stuff about blood, so phlebotomy, even ECGs, so like electrocardiograms, being able to know what each test means and what each test is. This whole program is 8 months. I think it's about 6 months in the classroom and then 4 weeks for practicum, and then the rest is just getting ready to graduate. So it's pretty smooth sailing. You don't think it's gonna go fast, but it flies by. Of course, I would definitely recommend coming here and becoming an MLA. It's a great program and it's a great school as well.